Welcome to Baitings Reservoir, one of the most westerly jewels of Yorkshire Water's great chain of reservoirs. If you enjoy this video, please hit like and subscribe. Please tell us in the comments about your visit here. Now, let us rise. High above Baitings Reservoir, here in the wild, windswept heart of the West Yorkshire Pennines. We are floating some 840 feet above sea level, in the upper reaches of the River Ryburn valley, just west of the little town of Ripondon. All around us stretch the rolling, heather-clad moors of the South Pennines, a landscape shaped by ice and rain over countless millennia. Look to the east. The great curved wall of the dam holds back this vast sheet of water like a sentinel. To the west and north, the open moorland rolls away toward Blackstone Edge. Down below, the reservoir itself gleams like polished slate, its surface catching the ever-changing Pennine light. This is a place where sky and water meet in perfect harmony. Yet, beneath these tranquil waters lies a hidden chapter of human history. When the reservoir was completed in 1956, after 8 long years of labour and at a cost of £1.5 million, an entire hamlet, the ancient settlement of Baitings itself, was gently laid to rest beneath the waves. Its name comes from the Old Norse for pasture meadow. For centuries, travellers and packhorses crossed this valley on an ancient route linking Yorkshire and Lancashire. An old stone packhorse bridge once stood here. Today, only a modern concrete viaduct carries the road above the water. But when the summer sun is fierce and water levels fall, that ancient bridge sometimes re-emerges, a ghostly reminder of lives once lived where fish now swim. 3 men gave their lives during its construction, a testament to the scale of this remarkable feat of engineering. Look down now upon the reservoir's full extent. It covers some 59 acres, fed by a catchment of more than 1,800 acres of moorland. When full, Baitings holds over 113 million cubic feet, that is, more than 3 million cubic metres, or roughly 775 million gallons of pure Pennine water. Its greatest depth reaches 155 feet. Every day, it quietly supplies around 1.5 million gallons to the city of Wakefield, working in gentle partnership with its older neighbour, River Reservoir, just downstream. A hidden tunnel, the Man's Head, even brings extra water from distant valleys to the north. This is water engineering on a truly grand scale, yet achieved with remarkable respect for the land. But this is far more than a reservoir. It is a living landscape. Even from our lofty vantage point, we can glimpse the wild inhabitants. On the open water, mallard and teal dabble, while gooseanders and cormorants glide with purposeful grace. In winter, wildfowl gather in greater numbers. In summer, black-headed gulls wheel overhead. Turn your gaze to the surrounding moorland and woodland edges. Here live the true masters of the Pennines, perhaps a merlin hunting low over the heather, or a peregrine falcon patrolling the crags. Golden plover and curlew call across the bogs, short-eared owls quarter the ground at dusk. Ring ouzels flash white on the crag tops, and twite, those little mountain canaries, twitter among the cotton grass. The reservoir and its margins have become a sanctuary, a place where wild creatures thrive alongside the quiet work of supplying clean water to thousands of homes. On a clear day, the views from the paths that encircle these waters are among the finest in the Pennines. Walkers come here for solitude and space, nature lovers for the ever-changing pageant of birds and seasons. And yet the reservoir itself remains a working giant. Vital, powerful, and beautifully integrated into this wild upland world. From this high circling vantage, one truth becomes wonderfully clear. Here, in the Pennines, human ingenuity and wild nature have found a rare and lasting balance. Baitings Reservoir, a quiet giant of water and history of life and light. A place where the past sleeps beneath the surface and the future flows steadily on. Thank you for joining me on this aerial journey. Until next time, farewell. Please like and subscribe. If you are viewing on your phone, go check out my interactive 360 video on my